Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another week of the Upper Knife Show. I'm your girl, Dilka Brown Rash, Dragon All-Star in the Wheels of Steel, Fred, DJ Rip, Mad One, 5Q, big up on herself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you look at their weekly events where you can go, enjoy yourself, different strokes for different folks. And shout out to the TGM Radio UK family. Make sure that you go on to their app and you can listen to our show and every other show on the go.
Since we're talking about granaries, we have to plug this one. Tonight it's all about gal rounds.
They're having gal rounds tonight?
Tonight is gal rounds in granary scene. This one courtesy by HQ.
Oh,
tonight at HQ gal rounds, and anybody know
HQ keep that so
say it's KJ and the team, Capo involved in that something
cool,
too. So
man.
people follow out for that one. Next week it's all about Black Night gal rounds. So do the right thing.
Do the right thing. There's a lot of rounds, and the gal them are involved.
We not go round robin because every robin is a man.
No.
So it's gal rounds.
Rihanna is not a man. Her name is Robin.
We don't know about that.
Anyways, moving right along. We're going for the one name. It's been a couple weeks since we've been in studio. Yeah. It's good to be back. Breads.
I haven't been here for a month.
Oh yes. Welcome back to the set, my G.
I know, right?
How have you been? How's your bank account now? It should be stacked.
Yo,
no one they can see.
Miss the man find a new girl in my mind.
Lie. Breads. I just 4 weeks already. You can't mention me out already. Dog. We'll speak off the air.
It's a good thing for that kind of name.
So wrong.
But that kind of name out there, you don't look so bad for breads.
I mean, your bank account.
No, I fix it. You say it right. Yeah.
The bank account. You can't just under the. Wait, there's someone stay for real when them find a girl or them really like them just under
they
the
spend upon them, yes.
Why you shout? I'm only asking the information, sir.
No, say man. So you turn.
So you just spend per woman. You spend per year woman, you say.
No, my woman. No, when me like a girl.
That's what she said.
No, I said when you like a girl.
Yeah. You call it. We didn't call the word back in the day. It's the court them like basketball.
Court.
Boy, yes.
It's a court. Court.
No, court.
That's what I said.
That's so. I heard something completely.
Well, I know. Choose me a countryman that no sound right.
So I say the word then.
Yes, no, me not say the word. You know what that sound like?
Like go fuck it up.
Like when a little man, what you call it, have a bestiality habit when him fuck with goat and them way.
I didn't say
what?
And him get crotten.
No.
What the
So
me tell about country people.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to end the show early tonight because I don't know what is happening.
Tell about country people and
that
animals.
That not sound right, father.
Country people and them animals is
so
different.
So that's that one the boy.
You're glad to my father from
town. Say go look at woman.
I never say goat.
Bad man, more country than Jamaica than
somebody call 911.
No. RSPCA. Animal protection.
Somebody save me from this conversation, please.
Save me.
Yeah, people, but anyway.
It's been a couple weeks. A lot of things have happened. I mean, a lot of people have, done some things. And Ray. There are a couple topics where we can talk about. I don't know which one I want to start with first.
I'll start a foreign.
Because
today is Emancipation Day, right? In Jamaica, and anything where talk about emancipation and emancipate yourself from mental slavery. I don't know if you guys see the recent news bulletin about Niger and the military overthrow the sitting government.
Niger. No.
Niger.
No.
Yeah. And the military kind of did the overthrowing that thing because obviously the government was aligning with France. France have a strong colonial footprint in Africa still.
Yes, they do.
Which basically a lot of things in a lot of the French-speaking country them control.
Yeah.
So basically, them are plan say, them will strike the country if the military don't give back power to the sitting government in 7 days. Which, in a sense, we kind of see where the military is forwarding from in terms of taking over because this man was lying in his pocket with the people money and like all of the wealth out of the country. Niger is Africa's 6th biggest country. And he was lying in his pocket and also sending out all the resources to France for a little of nothing. And their money is backed by the French francs.
Yeah.
And a lot of people know, so like, their money print in France. And France have a whole monopoly over them country. That's why a lot of these countries are economically so poor.
Crippled.
Because just like them say American money, sorry, I don't really want to drag this out too long.
Yeah.
Just do a quick look back story. Them say American money is backed by fiat currency. Fiat currency mean by it's backed by nothing.
Yeah.
They say the English is backed by gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because they say England have a big gold reserve.
Yeah.
But no gold mine there, England.
You
You
see
can
now
give
where-
it.
That's why
But
that's
the
our
whole
reserve.
gold mine and them
Can
something
give
that like most of these country like Niger, I think is what up to 70 something percent of the population
Mm-hmm.
is don't have access to electricity. But yet still France can export how much uranium to power their nuclear plant to produce electricity.
No, electricity.
Glad.
Rum.
It's
Just-
electric.
Just electric, yeah.
Yeah. To power their electricity back in France. And in terms of that, them never try develop these things in these countries, even though they are mining it and sending out the raw material. And this is a thing where in a Jamaica fall in this trap, just like backside.
Mm-hmm.
We don't process most of the backside sent out as raw material. Why can it not produce there or refine there?
Mm-hmm.
So that create more jobs and more opportunity, and then we sell it. We then get the expertise and the training and whatever,
Instead
and
of having somebody else to do it.
the infrastructure to do certain things.
Because the government no want to pay for that.
So that
And
you're
them a
saying
line for them pocket.
in terms of the Western side of the world, in terms of them and the Chinese them.
Mm-hmm.
Now get me wrong, Chinese them are pussy holes still, but
At
Them-
least when it comes to their
in
their
terms
kind
of them,
transactions.
if them a do a thing, them a do it at Jamaica, everything I do at Jamaica.
And as well as them are use the Jamaican people.
Them
then.
are use the Jamaican people,
Yeah.
them, so it's a big difference. But anyway, people, I don't want to get lost
Yeah,
another story there, but just feel like say that's one
that
where everybody
needed to be
feel
spoken
know
about.
about because we emancipate ourselves from mental slavery.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's a little monopoly go on over Africa right now where there's a other few countries that could get dragged into the situation. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for shedding some light on that. That's, I mean, obviously we don't deal with only entertainment, we also deal with education. So it's an edutainment kind of vibe.
Yeah.
I see
Let-
where
Yeah.
you're going there.
Let's speak about the weekend over here.
We have to speak about couple weekends.
Yeah, no.
So,
Let's speak about this weekend over here.
okay,
So, the weekend over here go on nice.
it was festive.
Everything night go on. We could start from
except
Brett's
the weather.
party.
It's keyboard Friday.
Hold on, what go on Friday again?
Granaries.
Yeah, granaries, yeah.
Shake that booty.
Yeah, me
Brett,
never
how
go
much
down
money
there,
you
but
spend Friday?
me kind of broke.
I didn't go.
Pocket fracture.
Oh, she really don't know your bank account.
No breads and no manners.
Oh, okay. So it's anyways. Shout out to the Granaries family. Bootylicious babe. The uncut version. The girl them going with themselves.
Not this week. The other week, me I come down there, ladies. I remember.
Why am I never going to Friday?
Me swear,
She don't
me I
have
bring
money
the
in
little
her
piggy
account.
bank. And me have some money in there from what year.
You want to shake it
Me don't
up?
know how much, but I feel heavy.
Why the joke?
Hmm?
The Jamaican note them can pass you pound them the right one.
A
Them.
true.
Go here.
Because
Go here.
when you compare them,
Well,
that
no,
is
man.
that
It's
is
in the
right.
dark.
That is right.
What is that?
£50.
Come on.
What is that?
That's a 50
People,
pound.
what is this I have?
Wrong place, yeah.
That look?
What is this I have, people?
It look like a £50 note.
Bumbleclad. More I want to promote them. Make sure you get one woman in your bar we can
We
check.
can check your money. Check your money good. Because a couple times people
This
use.
is the new £50 note, people. See it? It says 50, not a lie. Dragon, no.
Oh,
Nah, look.
No, nobody about now look. Me I look.
Breads.
Breads.
That was highway robbery on live.
Breads.
Live
Give
way
me
robbery.
give me money, cause right now, I'm lock you up.
But yeah, as we're saying, whole heap of things have happened in the past couple of weeks. Reggae Sumfest for one took place from the week of the 16th
Yeah,
to
that's
the
what it is,
23rd.
Yeah.
We saw dancehall night and international night. I mean, we see the rest of stuff that happened during the week, but the most two anticipated nights were the dancehall night Friday, international night on the Saturday. I don't know if you got to watch all the performances, but based on what you saw, share with us your thoughts on the performances of this year's entertainers.
So basically, I never watched the reggae night.
Mm-hmm.
I watched the international night, as what they call it.
Yes.
Watch the dancehall night.
Yes.
Big man thing like I have to shout out to Valiant.
Yeah.
You know why I'm shout out to Valiant? As a young artist, because people forgot how long Valiant been in the business. Remember, Valiant is not in the business for 3 years.
No, he's been in the business, but I'm on the
Valiant
screen for a year.
never bust 3 years. Valiant bust 2022. So a year and a bit. Leading up to 2 years, Valiant get his first breakout song. So, you know what Valiant are doing in terms of performance, because from Valiant forward out, have you ever seen a performance of Valiant did where you can say, no, he's lukewarm? Tell the truth.
No.
Everything him do, him execute good. Him come here,
100%.
him shell it down.
100%.
Him go Sunfest, him do a nice like a performance.
Mm-hmm.
No outrageous, you know, and like I just think it's a youth way always a grow. Even like
And he's hungry.
even like when people are say, yo, they chopping and they all that thing, and him change the gear upon him and him go couple like a girl song, and then what the like a rat bat song come out and
No.
it a mash up a place.
Mad out.
No, hold on, man. Like a rat bat song come out and a mash up a place. Then we see him go up and forward on the remark and say, hey, we are mad smaddy. Move out my way. I mean, I say, Bumbuckler, this is a song that does fit Jamaica. Right. If it
Any scenario.
if it every taxi man, every man will go on like them bad. Every young person, mother said 98% of Jamaica,
Mad out.
this song fit them.
100%.
Because
100%.
we have a point or a time in our life where they say, yo, just move from my way. We are mad smaddy.
No, 100%.
Mad, we are mad out.
100%. All the
Mad
politicians
right out.
too. We're ready to get mad in the parliament. Not to my constituency.
Yeah, but I mean, he did. I must agree. Valiant did an excellent performance on the night. Him going with himself. But for
Yeah.
me, the person
Massacre.
who took
Nope.
Birds be quiet. The person who took Friday night for me
Yeah.
was Massacre. Massacre dominated that stage
Yeah, man.
from start to finish. The
Big
man,
up TJ still too.
not saying that the rest of the performers them never do well, you know.
But that's a
Big
vice
up to
cartel.
big up to Egyptian, big up to Ja Vinci, big up to Baker, Chronicler, Javelani, Valiant. The rest of them never performed the Friday night, but Massacre from start to finish, hit after hit.
No, that don't mean say dominate the show.
No. In performance.
His performance
Because
dominated
listen,
the
Brett,
show.
in my younger person after the show, you know the part where I'm talking about him girl and the younger person that was trending on TikTok and everything.
Yeah.
Family.
Because
No, hold on, man.
Relax,
We don't
man.
reach Tommy Lee yet,
when
sir.
I forward to Uncle D man it. See?
Right.
So Massacre forward, and I think the next Sunfest that keep the honors of closing the show.
I think he's earned it.
I think Massacre earned it now. Like a lot of people been
You can't say
comparing.
that.
A lot of people.
Hold on, let him finish
Well,
and
I
then
know.
you can respond.
A lot of people been comparing like Massacre to a lot of other artists, and now he's really show his potential and his growth over the years. If you say yeah, him on par with them now. Him on par. Not saying the other artists them and a big artist and them have a whole heap of big song and that, but Massacre was always a bit more underground than them in a sense. But now he's on par because if you check Massacre track record, you know, every year Massacre have a hit
Give a hit at
all
least.
song, you know.
At least
At
one.
least one hit.
At least
One
one.
big hit.
Massacre
Check
took
it
it
now.
for me. And then Tommy
I'm not
Lee's
saying
performance.
I name
performance.
alone, but go on.
Brett, go ahead and
But
respond.
big up.
Go ahead and respond because you're disagreeing, obviously.
I didn't
So you,
disagree. I didn't.
what is your opinion on?
There's none.
You don't have an opinion for Reggae Sumfest 2023 Friday night?
Nope. Come fall asleep twice watching 2 nights.
Okay,
Never
cool.
That's why.
Alkaline never dip on it.
Baz their funeral.
Literally.
But you know, condolence to Alkaline
And his family.
And his family.
For real.
Listen.
for that you don't know it.
On the loss of his dad.
Wait.
Yeah.
is there?
Condolence.
Every time I watch it, anytime I watch one of them films, I jump asleep.
What, a stage show?
Either forward in from a dance, I start watching it.
But you could have watched it at a different stage. Anyways, that's an excuse. But big up Uncle Demon,
who's watching a
Tommy Lee, after his
It's a family performance.
Really?
Well, a
Release.
mix master, big up.
after his release from, we're gonna say prison,
Jail.
Prison him today.
Prison.
from prison,
Yeah.
Tommy Lee followed out and Tommy Lee did the same. He got to close on Friday night. I was very, very happy to watch his performance. As usual, everybody knows that Tommy Lee can already perform.
He's always going to close.
Yeah.
Theme place.
Yeah, Montego Bay a theme place at the same time, but I mean, Tommy Lee did an excellent job. And then we jump over to Saturday night.
Hold on. Before we speed past Friday,
Yes.
what do you guys make of TJ performance?
I literally didn't.
Because
I liked TJ's
never see that
performance.
I'll no minute see it.
I think it would have been better because I think the mass of the hardcore dancehall fans, because the outburst the other day with
him,
him and DJ Mac.
And what's the name?
I think a lot of people
I'm
are,
gonna talk about that.
because you know my ears in tune to the streets. A lot of people is saying TJ is corrupt.
that I've heard that.
Them
as
say
well.
TJ corrupt,
And a lot of
Alright,
people
alright.
don't rate
What
TJ.
feel last?
and a lot of people are saying, yo,
Alright.
them
Them
not really
loser
rate
vibe.
TJ.
You remember when I
again.
said to you guys
heard
here a
that.
couple months ago when time I talk, I'm sitting
Yeah.
there and they running and when I said certain things you do not put on the internet.
We know that.
Certain things we just know, you know. Before that, he might cuss other people.
Yeah, him found out.
And then I
cuss
said,
other
Sharon
people.
Burke, tell him, we didn't need to know that. Then him father gonna cuss somebody else. Like a 4 or 5 time go live, and the last time go live now, I do this, the Umbre have received for days. No, like I could waste man by doing that. You see me? I just like them say, people sing more about bad mind and thing, and them are bad mind and corrupt. You realize?
It come like you throw shade after acting.
No, but let's say acting now. The man them say acting is the most bad minds, the most bad minded people. So it's like, no.
Leave me out tight.
No.
Remember me a DJ and sometimes I do buy some doublet. Leave me out tight.
No. That's what they say.
Yeah. Leave me out tight.
Because it's like, how when nobody not fight them. It's like when teacher, if you know yourself as an artist, you gotta say management said nothing go live. You know, say you have these voice notes sent out. You think man, you're tarnishing Matt name. I work at the whole heap of artists. Yeah? The man gonna say, hold on, I can't make this stay because make it stay down, do it
His
quietly.
name is-
Tell us, yeah,
People are
true.
gonna
So the man say,
be poisoned against
man,
him.
they say out the voice and man say, yo, no, they take everything and go on.
But at the end of the day, we're not going to dwell on that conversation because that's a whole different kettle.
Yeah, that's a different kettle of fish.
Because
but-
Jay Frey post interview, I'll take it done.
Yeah, as what I say now, in terms of like, which artist you think should be on the show, what was missing?
For dance all night?
Yeah.
That's it. But that's sound be. I be in a bunty a Vado.
One of the veterans.
Well, doing it there. We're doing it there.
Which artist who's current now wasn't on the show?
No, I don't think anybody miss it this year. That's wait
Yeah.
till next year.
Was
That's it.
Kraft them never upon it?
Who would it meet?
Yeah.
Was Kraft
Yeah,
on
it
it?
was.
No, me not talk about that new school.
No, Kraft was.
Season.
He wasn't. Baker was
The
on it.
name is close to that. Who wasn't on the show? One la boss man.
Who
Oh
had it?
no. He said he was sick. That's why him say
He was booked for the show.
he was booked and 3 before. Them contact him and say him can't make the show because of reasons, health reasons.
He was booked for the
Yeah,
show.
he was booked.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know there was no performer.
I saw the
of him,
interview.
and
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was
to be
booked for the show.
honest, like I think that's one of the show them want to see him perform because we know he's a very good recording artist,
You'd like to
and
think.
now him a fall down with the performance
Him working.
because
Yeah.
people always say in performance is low energy,
Lazy.
Oh, okay.
but now him have the little dance and he step over,
But that's the thing.
and him a work it in his strength.
Yeah.
You're the joke. I'm watching the interview with man Jeffrey, right? Even with the dancer. The man say him actually is a dancer. Like him can dance. Him can
It's a
dance.
skanker?
Whatever you want to call it. Skanker. Yeah? So, not gonna lie. You know say man not a fan of them people still. But in the sense of the classroom, not the musical part.
Yeah.
If you compete, a different story.
Right.
But listening to interview still in a dog. It's a different insight of the person.
Of who he is.
If I put them, whatever, yeah. But even with the dancing situation, him say him there and him tell Jay say, yo, 3 before, him tells him, now can't make it because of the situations, innit?
Right.
So them did know a long time, because Jay asked him about
Right.
thingy. So, him did missing, yes, but the reasons, but...
But he was initially booked for the show.
Yeah, you could have
Yeah.
other columns. Bad thing with that, one thing with dancehall, yeah, when it comes to stage show, they still have to have certain events. It's just fact.
But
we have to-
hold on. Moving on over to the next
No,
night
we
because-
can't move on because
Yeah.
they made a statement. Certain vets, we have to shout out to the Boom 90s badness crew, like Harry Toddler. They're not saying that they're vets, like,
They are vets.
but they're vets.
They are vets.
So
35 years in.
But you have to show they did a performance and then photos and then
As
did
a
them
group.
thing.
Yeah, but,
they still perform.
you have to understand the structure of the show because like you have boom
still
90s
perform.
badness, right? You have some of them who have some bad song in the 90s, but them
One-
never
one
was the
that.
big thing. Like Beanie and Bunty, I don't feel like say at their age now, they're gonna forward and perform dance all night.
No,
It's gonna
they
be
do
international night because outside them there was season we have international hits. They're gonna transcend over to the next night.
All right,
You see what I'm saying? So let's talk about international night.
Brett
Quickly.
has a point.
What me that say, yeah? Regardless of how much it's them have international, local, them have so much in catalog, them can do the local one on a Friday. Bro, this is the thing, yeah? We Jamaican, as an organization of music, yeah, they only celebrate the artists them when they reach a certain point. Where them see them really where them have to say, Ray.
Yeah.
In a music, yeah, if you put Bean, just example, Bean and Bunty on 2 nights, no one can. You know why? Them can structure them thing where them perform once that song for the night, yeah, and one for the next night. Nobody not gonna be different.
Last point before we wrap up the show, and really what I'm saying, like if you really structure a show like Reggae Sumfest like that, that means that you're stifling young artists who do not have international hits, who can cross over to the next night. So the best way if you have them on the show and save 2 extra slots is put them all over to the international night because most of their catalog is known worldwide.
All right, question.
And that's the last point. Then we can move
Question.
over to
What
international
can
night.
Say, yeah, even at the crew there, most of the artists that we say new, yeah, no one really knows them that go to the show. The point I make is this, yeah.
Of course people know them.
No,
What?
like
Don't
You don't know,
discredit.
you don't know
me
them.
not like that.
hear
You
the word.
don't know them.
You hear me just say?
They don't know
No,
them.
you hear me just say that?
Yeah, they don't like that
Where-
when we made us.
Where walk and talk say. I didn't say me. The man say when them dead, the people ask who them people
So
are, yeah.
is walk and talk credible?
Bro, may I tell you what the man attack me?
But is walk and talk
Let me
credible?
finish. I am not saying wrong or right. I'm paraphrasing from what him say. I
Oh,
didn't
you
say-
just
You
repeat-
can't
Yes,
paraphrase
no,
from
no,
somebody's
no,
not
no,
credible.
no,
No,
yes.
hold on. Everybody has a point. We're just making.
The man say when
everybody
I
has a
crowd,
point.
and people ask if you don't know if it's a liar, somebody can say who that person for true. And them say everything else, oh yeah, because some people know the song and not the artist. That happen enough to you got a
That's
show.
true.
And you say,
That happened to me already.
it happens, bro. But what I say, yeah, enough of the artists when we're young and upon the show, if I understand, say, them have to
Like
just wait till
Baker
next
them.
year. No, Baker was there. He got arrested.
I'm said
Oh.
like bake.
Oh yeah, so
Yeah. Anyways.
You got
But-
it.
And shout out to I know you guys know some of the TikTok songs TikTok dances that have been happening. Shout out to the artists them will bring up the younger artists them for fall down on the stage and dance with them. Ski Mask. As well as the
450 call him up.
as well as
Yeah.
the High Flames dancers them like that was a good look to give them a
even that,
insight.
yeah.
And what Ambers, before make a point quickly for the young artists because like we have to understand this. We're living in the UK and when it come on to Jamaica down on the ground, it's 2 different ball game. Because for instance, some of the songs we will play here, they were known as like we call it the commercial side of dancehall, the song where everybody know.
Yeah.
Cause we not playing no Pablo YG, we not playing no Niger, we not playing none of them on them way.
But full of
Well,
fault,
well, my father and a full fault.
yes, it is.
We cannot play this song them because here we know. I play 2 of them tonight and the people them don't know them. It all look bad for me as a DJ. As a DJ, well I know. As a DJ, I never play the song them where the people them know.
Well,
And
you're also responsible. for
You're
introducing
also
new
responsible
songs.
for
For
bringing
introducing new
songs to make
songs.
them know.
Yeah.
But when in Jamaica at the moment, you have an influx of new artists where we're big because look upon it now. You have some artists like look on Niger, like him have Babu Walker and he have whole heap of like a song where him can take on some through himself. You get me? You have Mali, you have Pablo YG, you have a couple of them like artists. I remember when them clash a Sting, people are say, how would them artists are rare?
That was a younger
But
crowd.
hold on no. But that true say we never do no research because them there at Jamaica for a long like a minute. Because if them never hot and they never have no street creds or hot in the street in the underground world, they wouldn't be booked and Sting to clash.
No.
For the main thing?
No. Sting structure was if
To
the
give a
artist,
highlight.
if an artist now at least a million view upon them song, they won't be booked. That's
so,
what everything
oh,
said.
you gonna get a million view if
no,
hot.
no. Online is different from physical.
But me
bro.
I thought for the main clash. Who was the main
It
clash?
doesn't matter the clash was. They were most of those artists on Sting last year, because the man said if they not have
First,
certain.
I'm talking about
no,
the
listen,
main clash.
listen.
Hold on,
If they have a
hold on.
certain view, them can't. That's what they say when they say people are.
Who did the booking?
It was every day them people, bro.
Yeah.
And what he's repeating is what everybody said.
Yeah.
If you say, yeah, people were in a sting crowd,
Yeah.
I say them and know them personally. Pan the ground, we say influential.
Right.
That for sure, you say they are making wave, not being wrong, but not pan the ground where them think them they pan. Online make some man think they're doing way more than what they think they're doing.
Yeah.
No matter what you say, you have man that don't stream online as enough man, and when showtime come, at them people know, and them people turn out for.
Right.
Then we hear, look, oh, TikTok's and cool, boom. That's it's jargon. Sometimes it's online thing if we just label sign and get streaming. But when they do a show and no one turns up, they will show you say, yeah, you're not influential on the ground where most people know you. You can't, you have people, you have artists where no song nowadays, and I'm a tour on the whole place, and I still get 8,000, 5,000 people easy. You have man who have sung hot to this day, them go on show and a club them, you know.
I mean, everybody different.
No, but it just shows, I'm not wrong with that, you know.
Nothing's wrong with that,
Crowd, you know.
All right, people, time is of the essence, so let's wrap up this.
But that's
topic.
when time people are talk about things and I say, yo, but them hot. Yes, but depends on the hot, bro.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's go to night 2, which was the international night, where we saw the performances like Richie Spice, Minister Marion Hall, Tanya Stevens, Pinchers, Little Stitchy. Little Stitchy performed? I didn't see his performance. Did he?
Little Lieutenant.
Lieutenant Stitchy. Jesus. Romaine Virgo. There was a tribute
Fully.
tribute to King Jammy, Diani, Kabaka Pyramid, Freddie McGregor, and Chino and Stephen McGregor, Morgan Heritage, and Jada Heavy Kingdom.
All right, Jada on that bitch performance.
So,
done a story. All right, roll on.
There's a question that
roll
I
on.
think. What?
Roll on. Hold on there now. So,
I know he's going to ask us.
in terms of this now, like, you see what I'm telling you, say, certain thing don't have no weight because, like, look at it now. Oh, Jada Kingdom
She full of
transcend, hold on now, to the international night. Let me ask.
Maybe she just wasn't available for
Let
Friday.
me ask.
And we're answering the question.
Let me ask a question. Me not ask yet.
And the question that
answer.
You
Jesus
asked what?
Christ.
Okay.
How
ask-
did Jada Kingdom transcend to the international night when you have lights of other artists who was on the dancehall night, who we would consider as bigger hitters in the international market than Jada
Such
Kingdom?
as whom?
All right. From a promoter's point of view.
Wait.
Family.
From a promoter's
Okay.
point of view, yeah.
Okay.
Valiant.
Okay,
No.
hold on. Let me. Sorry. I
TJ.
asked such as whom? I'm just
Alright,
asking to
alright.
answer.
Massacre.
Okay, we're just asking. We're
Well,
not
listen,
arguing. We're
well,
not
listen,
saying no. We're
alright,
just
what my
asking
answer here?
your opinions.
Yeah, I say for balance it 2 nights, yeah.
Right.
You can't have
Everybody
everybody
on
over
one
one
night.
side. Remember, you know, but as you have the young artists over there, so as we say, they column them, they
Right.
still have to have them man, they keep a good structure of people turn out. For the first night, and for the second night, yes, you have the old school artists, them, the international artists, them, but you still need some of the next set of people from over there, so, like Jada and Diani, them people for structure it up, but forget other people. You try to mix the crowd. And like one time, you know, say,
Shanti
Hold
Force said
on,
Jada
let-
Kingdom
yes,
have its song in 3
Can
different
Brett finish
genres.
his point,
Well,
please?
Want him name them?
Yes, before you make the comment, let Brett finish his
and
point.
like one
please.
time when you say, yo, you have everybody dance all so and everybody reggae. That was then. No reggae people listen dance all vice versa. So you have a mixed balance the crowd. Jada, she's an international artist. She got signed. She known America more than what she know than enough of the man them on a certain night known. And she's a female and she look good and she have good songs transcend to England, Europe, Jamaica, everywhere. So what's the problem, bro?
No, I'm saying you have more international artists than Jada.
Yeah, but them man that needed to be over there for make the
Brother,
over there to work.
And again, that's guys. These are your opinions, right?
And it's my point of view.
And I doubt,
Bread's-
and I doubt them man that want to work.
Could you respect my right to have my point of view?
That and
Yo.
vice versa as well.
No, what me think here? I don't think TJ don't want to work on the next night. To be fair,
TJ.
yeah, I don't think they would want to work on the next night when them say which artist on the first night. Cause the energy in it. The next night is a different energy.
But then again,
Cause name the artist, them a sing artist, old school reggae dancehall artist.
Romaine,
Yeah,
Freddie, Morgan Heritage,
Yeah, so it's more of that
Kabaka,
speed there.
Diani.
You don't really have much DJ
So
over
it's
there.
more like a reggae night.
Yeah. So that's all it is.
So yeah.
What them should I do? Get some actual international artists.
All right. So Shanti Force said drill. Which gal? That's not drill, bruv.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
It is.
Seeing?
Yes,
Which
it
DJ
is.
be?
Seeing?
It is.
Dancehall jazz. Which jazz song she have?
good pussy problems. He just said GPP.
Bro, he's writing in
It's
the
not jazz, bruv.
It does have a jazz feel.
It
to
does
it.
That's what it sounds like. Yeah, ask question, no man, I tell you.
It
Me
has a,
I tell you, say, yo, it's not jazz.
You, the man, know Jada Kingdom.
Me I tell you, it's not jazz. You know what make a jazz? Anyway, me not need to get into that right now, but anyway, it's not jazz. But
The man's song.
anyway, what a lot of people have a problem with on international night
Thing you
is
say, the RPG say too.
what a lot of people have problem
Israel.
with on the international night is the Freddie McGregor and Chino McGregor and Stephen McGregor. A lot of people is saying,
Just the McGregors.
why do
why did
Gregors.
Freddie perform?
the McGregors, why do this son Chino and the Genius
Mm-hmm.
make their father perform in that state when he can't hold a key in his current state, and he's not himself.
My question to them is, who said that they made him do it?
Mike,
Who are they or who are we to say that he didn't make the decision to say, hey,
Alright.
after my situation, I would love to be back on stage? Why are people
you
making the
wanna hear
assumption
this?
that Stephen
Why
and
this
Chino
now?
forced
Why,
him?
why this now?
I hate people that do that.
All if him say man do it, the car key last a night there and nobody can bring him go there. Because this is going to be the story. If he did fall on stage and drop and dead,
Right.
all of what we are saying now would have been void. The man sick, bro. The man could have just...
He's
got-
in recovery.
What he should have done...
He'll be in the UK
No,
next week.
I heard Vegas said that not true, yeah? What he should have done, get the big cherry thing,
Yeah.
put it on the cherry thing,
Yeah.
have everybody, same as the night
Do a
as them.
tribute to him.
Yes, that look more professionally
Yeah.
better.
No.
Listen,
It's
I'm
some
saying.
them could sing it.
Yeah,
Anybody?
do a tribute.
No,
It's still a
no.
tribute at
His
the end
son
of the
is his
day.
son. His son is his son.
Yeah.
It's more logical than what like
Yeah.
other artists, even young artists I call talking like Carl say, be a kind of man there. Just somebody where the industry just say, yo,
Right.
this is a legend. Wall your corner, uncle.
What about Ramian?
It no matter who.
It doesn't matter who.
Let's say us wall your corner and we got this. I will come at the UK, should be the same thing. Shanty force forward and say, yo, wall your corner, Steven, sign me after this. You see me? But it's true though. Because remember now, you're sick, regardless of the recovery, we know what he had, and that is not a normal thing.
It's a stroke.
Yeah.
It's a stroke.
And strokes is just as bad as the one, bad one them to call it mess up people wickedly.
Yeah.
So him for us, clutch.
Because like my concern is like people always remember you
Wait
like
for your last performance.
at your worst. Because like certain people, if them sick certain way, them don't want nobody see them. Because like any idea, nobody don't want nobody to see them vulnerable. Because people gonna remember you in that state. If the last time I see you out asleep on the road, that's how me remember you. That's my last memory for you. Say yo, brother up on the road and you
What the way? Don't where call me? This I say, don't call me name.
Alright, such a man there on the road and them with a garage pan. Seeing? That's how you're gonna remember them.
Oh
Seeing?
my
So
days.
No,
it's a thing like this, say. We know Freddie as a man we can, hit him key them. Like arm up on a nail. And do him like a performance, big ship sailing. And
big ships.
the ship never does sail over the air still. The ship that float still.
It's stuck.
You not
Because-
float,
because watch it,
but injury them never start.
Look embarrassing as well, yeah. It's like, no, yeah. Yeah, I say, yo, it's so, oh my gosh, it's so sentimental. Bloop him Japan then. Them pussy, I should have made like a man stay in a yard. Them know same sick. This is how people are, not Jamaican people. It's good for when it work, but who knows him go home and feel much pain and this and that.
But you have two sides to the story because you know he's showing people that listen, with all the adversary that you come up against, you still can persevere. Because I any idea the state where I'm in, he wasn't too bad, Remember, if you're not that in tune to music, seeing?
Said him broke. Man, can't broke much royalties that come in for them.
If you're not that in tune to music, you wouldn't realize that it might drop off a certain keys and certain thing. It's not the Freddie way you know, but if you're a just come dance all.
Brother, the man sing a reggae song. Reggae song is all about the refineness of the voice. No matter if he's that known fan, producer, blind, deaf.
But
dumb.
I an idea, like with age, it comes certain little slowness.
Age slowness different from offbeat. Cause slowness, you get tired of them, so okay, I'm tired of them all very cool. But they're different from being cannot able to perform at least 90% of your ability. Jagan, it's like you, God forbid, one of them you can't mix as well, but you can still do a level with them. You say, at least Ray but him can do. When they not the can't all of the place, I say, that quit call today. It's just the fact that me personally think say
Why you think so? Him shouldn't
him
do
should
it?
have did it as a tribute, big tribute for the thing. Feature fly around him and meet much people, fly down some people from foreign where they know him. Just give him a proper little Jamaican tribute.
But hold on,
Him shouldn't
no.
be singing shit.
You are talking something which is not realistic.
No, it's not really.
Hold on, because I have an idea.
Metaphorically speaking.
Say Joe Bogdanovich link Freddie answer. Boy, Freddie.
I'm not Joe show no more, but go on.
Me have $1-2 million to pay you to come sing some song. We have like a tribute lineup for you, blah, blah, blah. Seeing? The next of best, him all link say, yo, him two youth them. Chino and Steve and say, all right, forward, me have Sumfest to do. You know, kind of be my support. Me out there and, you know, people, everybody know what him been through. Because it's two-sided of the kind. So even though him know he's not what he used to be, come like a footballer. When you get old, you play some charity game or rare, it don't mean say you fully hang up your boots.
Yeah, but
You play some charity game in front of a big crowd, even though you know your skills them kind of gone. Look for Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Belly get bigger than, you know.
yeah, but I just
One
said
of them
this
thing there.
different with that, yeah, and this. They're not playing at 100%. We expect to see them at 65 to 70%.
Yeah.
Because when you see the touch at the ball and the shoot, you say, yo,
Yeah.
I can remember that. But when our legend fall off, personally with me, yeah, we just think say, for the love of the artist,
Yeah.
and when due to the culture, and everybody wants to see him like that, as we say. So nobody now say I'm wrong, I'm right. It's just that you have two sides, though. That's all it is, bro.
Yeah, it's two sides to every story.
So
but,
it's
you
just a
know,
wrong or right. It's just a moral thing.
I'll leave that to the masses to compare and say, yo, whether they think Steve
Me
and
just
Freddie
believe,
them
say,
or whatever,
Me just
them
believe
did the
so,
right
yeah.
thing, you see me?
Me just believe so, yeah. The show itself should have given him a grand. If should have make him all close all the show with the tribute where everybody went on the show far back out.
No.
I feel
Close the
that.
show, no.
No, but if it's sentimentally I work with Valley, yeah, nobody on the front.
All right, listen, like, you see this show, what you have to understand.
Who
say-
close Reggae Night?
I don't even know, I didn't watch it.
No one talk about the close, though.
No, because listen, you see, in terms of closing these show, you have to have somebody out there who can hold people in the morning who have a high energy performance.
Yeah, regardless. But
Because if you want to go home,
find out who close it. We can.
bad man, you see me, I use my laptop to play music. Your phone not work.
No, but the point is, yeah, that's that thing, say. My view is, when I see it, me, I like, yeah, I don't want to see that. Cause you see how it work, yeah? There's more people saying him should have just build and make them give him a good tribute.
Yeah.
And some people are say them people are wrong. It's not wrong. You find out where people are coming from, or them see, as they say, yeah? And they want to see at their best. Even 55% or something. He was at probably 15%, bro. You see me? So people are angry at the fact that they can't see the best of the person them like and love over years through the music I play, refine. So now I say them and bash them, then once I say why couldn't just make them do the tribute and them just build and laugh and say two words and we understand that. And even if it's all like one song and you see me I say, not full performance, you see me, bro? Because any day we don't want him overexert himself because as I say, when you know you're good at something, you can always on it 100% until you're worse. And something that can overstress a person where his body is not at it 100%. Because performance is about everything about you as a person, though.
Yeah.
So that is, man.
At the end of the day, it was the Sumfest. Keep and I think it was a successful show. Let's keep right past and move over to Dream Weekend because
Be a fucking good dream.
you know it's a whole heap of show keep in a short period of time. So
Dreams done?
move over to Dreams. Yeah, Dream Weekend is officially over. So let's move over to Dream Weekend. We can recap some of the performance. You know, first we have to big up Queenie. You know, the Queen is here, the Queen perform at Dream Weekend.
Hey, me not see perform, but me see the
You know,
everything else.
she go out with herself. You know,
As always.
nothing too outrageous.
No, but with the
But
Queen,
yeah.
But you see, Queen, you know, her personality and her song is actually good that she can perform, and her personality is out of this world, you see me? So naturally, she fall. I like Ninja Man fall up on the stage. Before him sing a song, the crowd and her friends there, because she have a present You see me? So you manage to see that 3, 4, 5 more songs back
Yeah.
then. So we come from so and share up the UK same, you see me? So one of our finest, as I said.
So, in terms of performance for Dream Weekend, who would you say take the show?
Not the whole one rock star, man. The fuck there, bro. Yo, me sorry when I have the clip. Hey, listen to me. Skeng. No matter what them say about this youth. So the man reach on the stage, bro, a different story.
So, a lot of people are comparing Skeng career similar to Skillibeng in terms of the trajectory.
Oh, dog.
Hold on, I'm finish. The trajectory and the decline. Because them say, them rise up to like a pinnacle, to the ceiling, flirt with like the hip-hop international market a bit, then kind of forward right back down under the radar.
No, it's a formula, a dancer.
What's different between Skeng and
Let me tell
Skillibeng?
you, so the formula dancer now, Skeng is more obtainable upon line than Skilly.
And Skilly now drink out time shoes.
And that shows something that people understand it as an artist. There's, I can't know what it's called exactly, but it's like a rite of passage with some things like certain country like Australia, when they perform on a big
They
stage.
call it a rite of what?
Passage, bro, passage.
Climb and go biblical.
Alright, you see, like Stormzy do it to Australia when him first go there, them drink out. Something about where the artists are entertained to do when it's just a musical thing. And logically, I doubt him drink out and shoot them around on them foot. But see, Jamaican people, as I said earlier, there's information we're limited to. So we see other Jamaican go abroad and father and tell you they like them shocked to it.
Right.
But not for me, to me know what, I'm cool with it. But
So even if he didn't drink out or shoes him have on him foot, would it be something wrong with it?
that the shoot on them foot part has something wrong with it.
It's
So-
his shoes.
But what I know, so you have man a suck girl too.
That's a film.
Oh my god. Bro.
That's still not
But
right
that's a
with the
hack.
dragon.
But that's a hack.
But anyway, Skillibeng, yeah, and Skeng is the fact that Skeng have him sang them still at work. Skillibeng sang them still at work. But when people not seeing you and hear a song as much, Skilly forward with a thing or two songs drop with there. And feature with Skeng to do.
Lord God say shoes on him foot.
It's his shoe at the end of the day.
He didn't say he might wear shoes anyway, so it's different. But the point is here,
It's his shoes.
if
Yeah.
Skeng touch the stage, you don't care if him have a song 20 years ago. Because when him perform, you will never forget that, bro.
That's true. As
You
well
will
as,
never forget that.
Yeah, that's true.
Being on Bounty, be doing it for years without a hit, like proper hit, because what? They will electrify the crowd, bro. When the man like
Wait, what bird say without a proper hit?
like, no me like, come anyway.
A fuckery attack.
All right.
You know what
all
he
right.
means,
From
like-
being on Bounty career,
You know what I mean?
Calm down, son.
Them house have good
all right,
hit.
all right.
Fuckery attack.
All right. But me, anyway, Skeng, yeah, when the man like the
Drink some of my water, breads.
when the man
Let's-
like
hold on.
the
symbol.
Simba, yeah,
Yeah.
and some catch man the drum and the drum. Yo, listen for the fact that yeah, the bands was with where man do.
And
It's
yeah.
like the energy. Me watching the video,
Shout out to
I'm
Tower
like
Band.
shit. Then
Shout
imagine
out
I
to the
was
man
there,
there.
But
bro.
don't start have to talk to breast. Me, yes, a symbol. And you know, breast. I look on my laptop, the Twitter.
Can't even look at your fucking anyway, idiot. Me used to go church in the dog, so chill.
Say what the man like the Twitter.
No, it's
See
bro.
what-
No, it's not, bro.
But then again, we have to give a big shout out to Tower Band as well, Prof and Chris
Yo.
and Koran,
Yo, the man-
because they also give him
Yeah,
the energy to perform.
All America, you see, white man take out the shirt.
And Chris not normally,
And
yeah,
I-
him not
and I-
normally perform
bro,
in a shirt
listen,
anyway.
yeah.
Like my bum buckler sitting.
It's a
Fight
part,
out
but
there.
it's a
No,
part
but
of the
they knew
performance.
what it was though, because we can better to them
It's
have
a part of the
fire,
performance.
extinguisher right on stage if anything around.
You know,
What me
see,
say?
man,
Like
yeah.
my our
It's
fight.
Skeng have money
It's
for
a
the plan. But what
performance.
I say, yeah, every performance Skeng do, you have to remember it.
because there's something different every
yes,
time.
Skillibeng now, he might do him things same way. He's doing what he's meant to do. As I said, the streaming part-time situation probably higher than enough Jamaican artists right
True.
now. But
I'm not seeing him performing
on the
on
performance,
stage
on stage, a
as
certain
often.
local event, and on certain situation now is not there. That doesn't mean him fall off.
I think he's doing more international shows now that we're not hearing
About.
of quite often.
Because most people know if you're not hot, like for them hot,
Yeah.
and they fall on certain DJ too, if you're not sing a song where them can get money pull up from, your song would never be played.
DJ Hype _80 says Skillibeng is trapped in one style. Skeng switches it up.
No, but every artist, even Skeng when I switch, I feel one style of switch. So every artist, everybody will have a generic makeup of them in their music. And
Yeah,
identity.
this is what they're
That is
performing
them.
as.
So
Yeah.
Bounty Kid up Ross, being the man
Zaga,
Bro, you cannot change something you don't know what to do. You have to work with you.
No, yeah, people can switch it up. And
No, but
them sing some song, and it's like a different artist.
Yeah, but them sing a song, but them still do less of that and more of them know. Just like some DJ we know say them see girl in a crowd and still a play a chopping song. Them not change. So so it is.
There's one topic I
So it
want
is,
us
bro.
to talk about before we wrap up.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I know say Chris Brown a forward at Jamaica, don't in later.
Skyview, my God, man.
Man, we can't go there so yet. So the news report forwarded out mid-July, saying that, you know, a couple artists are going to be.
Me the birds, I want a
We
strong
need a top up
strong
for that
drink.
one here too. Give me a top up, my brother. So Loop News, their story started. Dancehall favorites Dexter Daps, TJ, and Ding Dong will join R&B superstar Chris Brown when he returns to Jamaica to perform for the first time in a decade for his Under the Influence show at the National Stadium in Kingston. Now this show is going to be taking place on Sunday, August 27th for the Bizarre. Is the Bizarre weekend? Is that how you pronounce
3
it?
days, yeah.
So it's a 3 day, it's a weekend though, but Chris is performing on the Sunday, the 27th at the National Stadium. So obviously people are, Chris out of Jamaica.
So Chris Brown.
Chris Brown is
Nobody
forwarding.
not call him Chris.
Chris Brown is forwarding to Jamaica. Don't know say.
Chris.
You don't know say people are gonna get them tickets because there are a lot of Chris Brown fans.
People do what?
Get their
Yeah,
tickets.
tickets.
Blood clot. Go on. All right, talk a story.
What did I say?
No,
Are
me say
going to
talk
get
a
their
story.
going to get their tickets. Now, when we don't know, say there are different categories of tickets. Uncle Ivan, I wanted to put up the first picture that I sent you, which is the ticket prices. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned to the screen. So we see the Bleachers segment. You had
Bella, big up.
you had early bird tickets that were on sale. I don't know if it's still early bird season at the moment.
Look.
So we have Bleachers, Grandstand, Blue, which is General VIP, Green VVIP, Indigo, Ultra VIP, Cabana Suite, 24 available, Skyview Suite, 12 available.
Bad man.
Wait.
Yeah. Go on.
So the early bird tickets, when I can say they're quoted in both the US and Jamaican dollars. May I look for the price though, just hurt me. So the general the Bleachers early bird ticket, 6,750 Jamaican, and we're gonna just deal with the Jamaican quotations. We'll not deal with the US price. Them seeing?
Yeah.
Cool. But the pre-sold tickets, 10,500. One ticket.
That's all right.
Grandstand early bird, 11,250. Pre-sold tickets, 15,000. Yo, is a bike charge that no? You know when the police officers say your motorcycle never make no noise, is a 15 grand charge.
Yeah.
Right?
Load muffler.
Note 15 grand charge.
15 grand.
General VIP, which is the blue, early bird tickets, 26,250 Jamaican dollars. Pre-sold, 30 grand.
A good ticket, a good price on this here, man.
Green, which is the VVIP, early bird tickets, $40,000, 250.
Stop right there, so. Remember them early bird.
This is the early bird tickets.
I them one of them say catch you most worm. Early bird them.
Ladies and gentlemen, this
Me
is
not talk about the regular. Early bird.
early
All
bird
right.
tickets.
Yeah.
$41,250.
Mm-hmm.
For the regular price, the pre-sold price, it is 45,000 Jamaican dollars,
Yeah.
and this is for one ticket.
See if you have one little boobsy I go with. Blood clot.
90 G's.
Remember 90 grand.
Just for ticket them
Right
alone,
now-
brother.
90 grand you can't pay rent for a couple of months. Well.
All right, can I say something? So,
But finish read all the ticket them before.
Make a
him
read out
talk.
the ticket price them quick and fast.
Yeah.
With the Indigo early bird 71,250, pre-sold 75,000 Jamaican dollars. Cabana Suite there are 24 available. There were 24 available. Still don't know how many are available. Pre-sold or early bird 750,000 Jamaican dollars.
did I buy that?
Excuse me. Anyways, and well, it's the same price
Him
right
back
across.
That show.
It's a plane ticket that.
Big up for all of that. Sorry.
No, it's a plane ticket, bro.
It's the same price for pre-sold, and the Skyview costs 1.5 mil for one ticket. I don't know what it gets I don't know what to get with this Cabana Suite and the Skyview Suite. However, for those of you out there who cannot afford it, Uncle, I have 1 second picture, please. Don't you fear. Party Loans is here. Anybody who can't afford.
Nope, not anybody.
For those of you out there who cannot afford, to find all the money at once.
Yeah.
To pay for the tickets, pay for the outfit, pay for probably your Airbnb or your motel or your guest house, your gas money, your food money, your
One second.
You can't get a party.
1
loan.
second.
Go
Chris
ahead,
Brown.
Maggie.
Chris Brown. Zoom in for me a little bit of live. Cause Chris Brown,
Wow.
at Jamaica, right now, the more deal like down a quotes.
I am purchased.
We take things them. As Monday come, we gone.
Yeah.
I just change.
And
Yeah, but all right, watch it
What?
now.
What?
It's not Chris Brown's fault. Like, you wanna
It's
get
not
paid.
Chris
Why-
Brown's
no, me
fault.
talk for the party loan.
Yeah, no.
Me not talk for the ticket price.
No, but listen, that's what I'm saying. There's a catch to it.
Eh.
All the people can get that part, and the people are working because the money will come straight out of them pay before it reach their account.
But you
Bread,
have
bread,
but
bread,
you
bread,
have
bread,
gullible
bread, bread,
people.
bread.
You have to
Bread.
be you have to be
Bread back.
You have to be sensible.
Me know man when
and
I have a
realistic.
blood clot 9 to
and
5
they're
in a
gonna
Jamaica scene.
go.
Man when I have a 9 to 5 get loan from bank.
No, you see, you just say,
Man when I have nothing
Jagan,
around.
Jagan,
Bread
Jagan,
bread back.
Jagan.
Hold up, let me finish talking boss man.
Jagan,
Man when I have
why
nothing
you shouting?
get
Very
loan from bank in
passionate
a
about
Jamaica
it.
because here one now.
True.
In Jamaica. In Jamaica.
Alright.
The land where we love. As long as you can fake it till you make it, or you can fraudulent produce 2 pieces of document, or I can move my address say, over bread but I live in a big
Over
house over
breadfruit
there. So
leaf.
Alright,
I'm a
alright.
pass over there. So I'm get one JP, pay one JP man a piece of
Sign,
money for
sign
sign.
off.
Say, yo, I'm me this, I rare. Me go a bank and them say, take your money.
All right, first
I'm just run my gas
that's
St. Catherine.
That's a bank. This is not a bank. So basically, all these loan people.
They're not
work.
foreign people, them. How them won't find you?
Let me tell you where people
Definitely chopping.
Tell them
prices.
work, yeah. So you ask the loan,
Yeah.
they say cool. Well, them confirm it.
Yeah.
The money going to your account is not you are pay them. The company you work for, office sign off, they have to work. So before you get paid in your account, you have to work for somebody, obviously. So, or you gonna fraud that?
We don't know.
Me can move along, 'cause I've never take a loan for Jamaica
Bro, it's
yet.
not, you see.
Have you ever take a loan in Jamaica?
Have you,
Oh, sorry.
have
Wait,
you ever
wait,
take
wait,
a party
wait,
loan
wait.
from Jamaica yet, Jagan?
A party loan?
Yeah. Stop
I
talking.
first part loan, me see. You ever take a party loan? Me no go Jamaica broke. Me no run so careless.
So stop talk. So just
Me no know. Have you
Jagan,
take a
Jagan,
party loan?
Jagan, this is the problem, Jagan, yeah? When people are telling something, yeah, you have
me
to
ask
be-
you.
Okay.
Shush.
It sounds as if Brett is speaking from experience. Share your
You
experience.
take
Wait.
party loan, you're
Hold
gonna
on,
wait.
no bread
When
now.
Burna Boy won, yeah?
All that.
When Burna Boy won, it was the
Did
same.
you take a loan?
You take a
I
party
wasn't
loan.
there. I wasn't there, so if I was there.
Me no- the party loan that give for Burna Boy.
If I was, they were giving the same thing as well.
You take party loan.
Anyway,
Dragons.
I wasn't there for no time. If I probably take one to why not? Fuck it. I just say leave the country, then I know me leave it. But the point is, yeah,
So how you get it if
Brett,
don't come
All
and
Star,
get it?
could you allow Brett to respond, please?
the point is, yeah,
And
Yeah.
thank you.
when them about, I don't know, regular, you have to, the company as well have to involve in our one, yeah? So
company?
Well, your work company?
we work for.
Why?
Bumbo class,
Because-
save your shopkeeper.
No, because all do it, yeah.
Earn a stall.
Like, you just said to me, when you know, you ever come with them fucker, listen
I reckon downtown.
Dragon, serious
This
wise,
not
but
work, son, bro.
if Brett look like him have the
So,
information.
the company, I feel like, say you had me work for you, yeah?
Yes.
Why me apply for it? I put in your diesel, everything, yeah, them contact you.
So basically, I'm your guarantor.
Yes.
But
so,
me don't want me-
no,
me
no,
don't-
no, guarantee, oh, yeah.
No,
When them-
it's called reference.
Well, then, shush, no, man. Whenever them ask do the finance, yeah, and them know how much you earn or whatever, yeah, how much you pay back in it. Because over a 5-year stretch, yeah. So it's like,
6.
yes, 6 or 5.
Five,
So when time your boss say you get £10 a day a month, yeah,
Yeah.
and if you pay $250, yeah,
Yeah.
before you get the money, the boss already take that part there out and I pay them. So it go to your account, see me, but it a pin for go to them every time.
But I don't understand because
Because
hold on.
as the Jagan say, I'm gonna go run gas and catch him.
Fuck create that, Brett.
Yeah, but
Alright, cool.
this is what I don't understand. I never your company and the bank or the loan people go in a no agreement, and me and the just hear me out. I'm only trying to understand where you're forwarding from, and my place of employment and loan people go in agreement, and me and the loan people them.
Yeah.
So me can tell the loan people them yes, I'm a work, Yes, this is
No,
the amount.
they asked for pay slip
Yes,
This
hold
and
on.
bank statement.
Yeah.
This is Jamaica.
This is where I work.
That's what they asked.
This is the amount I get. This is the amount I can afford to repay
Yeah.
based on the amount I'm born, based on the APR, blah, blah, black sheep have any wool. So I don't understand.
No, all right.
Easily can
As
be.
it-
Breast, hold on. You just talk about it. Relax,
She
man.
referred to my
Relax,
question
no?
and answer.
Relax.
I don't know none of this. I'm going to show now
No,
after
I'm
Did you
trying-
borrow on Patluna, Jamaica?
Bread-
Yes, I did. And Christian done. That's what I hear.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Then, all right,
So-
then. You have experience.
Guys, I'm so serious.
So-
I'm genuinely
so
trying to
basically,
understand what you're
Remember,
saying.
as a dragon alluded to say, a man will take the money and go out from back and live.
Right.
So the people are buying a loan, they want to lend to people who have job in it, real and truly. People
Okay.
have job.
Well,
And as it's something say, the 1.5 only for 12 people. Me and no say,
Yeah.
a Jade and them people can do that. And with the 1.12, we never tell you how much people are allowed to be in that box.
and I did say we don't know what
So
encompasses.
if the box say
The
for
ticket
1.5 I on 30 people, logically, do the math 30 divided by 1.5, about I think we did 40,000 a person. For check it.
Can't afford 1,000.
I said I don't know. Let me check it right now.
You don't.
no,
no.
like honestly, it's something that we can learn from. But to be
But
honest,
anyway.
some of the comments that are being made on this topic, Shanti Four said, imagine putting yourself.
See that? Hold on. I said 40.
You said 30.
No, I said
He
40.
said 40. He
Yeah,
said 40.
my only 2,005 shot. Don't ever do it again in your life.
You don't still.
At 37,000
Close to 30.
0.5.
Close to 40.
per person, if a 30 person going to the box. I don't do that. I check a long time. Move for answer.
So some of the comments that are forwarding out from the topic, Shanti Four said, imagine putting yourself in 6 years debt to see an artist perform only once.
Shanti, when I say an artist, if you do that fear, you really got it. Don't
Well,
question
But
it.
I never the artist do it.
No, but
you
hold on.
yourself just
Hold on.
said
Yeah,
that.
to see the artist.
But hold
see
on.
the
now.
It's Chris Brown.
Can we finish
Hold
with the
on.
comments first, please? Josh Chem said, anybody doing this should not be going, which is true. One Lord God said, I'll chop a price them day. And Gangali says, this coming like when R. Kelly wiped down the stage.
I don't know what I want.
You know what I mean?
No, Gangali, if you want, put a little
Gangali,
explanation.
you know
behind
what?
it.
That one there.
Because
yeah.
that one, me not really
But
understand.
as what me I said
Alright,
still.
hold on, the realistic part about it, yeah, as you all know, the pricing of the people can afford. See, the people where try to go to the, is it 1.5 and for nobody in Jamaica normal. Politician, them say.
So you think a corporate uptown?
Yeah, man, definitely. You see,
Uptown can remote stadium.
Two look rich boy go so boom and sell to iPhone and I'm good man. But when I say yeah, you see the 10,000, 6,000, whatever. And if a regular Jamaican, just stick to your regular Jamaican and just do your thing and say yes, it's Chris, but I look at that. Then I open the sky them once they can for that. But the point is they live the different level ticket price. So the early bird will probably I in a stadium, so 30,000 people. So roughly on the ground itself, them are about 15,000. Yeah? So be one of the 15,000. Don't be, if you have a good job, it's at 30,000. The more your job is, the more you get. The 12.1.5, if are you on 30 people, you do the maths with that.
Well,
You see me?
Me nah
I'm saying-
lie still. Like, sorry to
price them
change the story a bit, but Elephant Man supposed to bex you fuck.
why?
Fizzle.
Because Elephant Man I first Maddy bring Chris Brown and Jamaica to perform on the big festival in the young.
That was a free show.
Fiend.
Stop.
And no Black Clark Chris Brown come here. And no book
Question,
Elephant Man.
question.
How was the
But
Black-
we
Question.
don't know if Elephant Man is going
Listen-
to forward. No. We
listen
don't
to
know
me.
if Elephant Man is going
Mama, listen to me.
going to forward out
Mama,
as a
listen
special
to me.
guest.
Listen to me, Mama. Elephant Man is not on the poster.
The biggest question
Yeah,
is,
but we
So-
don't know if he's forwarding out
Alright,
as a surprise
Him
guest,
and this
bro.
Ellie.
well, and the biggest
don't know.
no
Don't-
one's on the
don't make-
poster. The biggest question is this, yeah?
Don't make an assumption.
We always worry about the price.
Because if
I want to
Ellie
show.
not there, Panny, would have vex.
Jagan.
Right now, Ellie want get one of Chris Brown shoes, you know. Parchment paper, right through.
Jagan.
Anyways.
Jagan. The question is, the show, yeah?
Yes.
Is it a Chris Brown production or is
It's a.
It's his world tour. It's Chris Brown
a
world
part
tour.
Of his
No,
world
I
tour,
know that, but
it's
it's-
not a Chris Brown.
No,
It's a, what do you call it? It's spearheaded by Solid Agency, Burke Bodley, View Live LLC plus Playboy
Sally Agency, there was Sharon Burt them. So that's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
TJ,
and J
you know.
Upscale.
so basically it's a corporate Jamaica show.
It's a corporate
All right,
Jamaica
leave it
show.
is then.
Yeah.
Jamaica, tell them though. Same like when an artist come and foreign and the price is high and
Yeah.
people go pay if you see them,
Yes.
it is a good thing. So just know so we reach a level where we can as a promoter can charge $5 a ticket.
Quick mention as well.
But we have to give credit where credit is due. Jamaican artists are being incorporated in this show. So
Yeah,
Dexter
they have
Daps,
to
TJ,
be.
well, some of them would have forward and don't incorporate the
But the
Jamaican
bomb buckle, I
artists.
think Chris Brown can perform all night for entertain Jamaica.
You say mad, that's a buckle.
You will lick him down, man.
1.5 million, you're
Well,
mad.
we have to be realistic. The
I wonder
mere
how much
fact
for one
say-
buckle I see over there.
Well,
the mere
well,
fact
it's probably
that
free.
at least
Eh?
3 Jamaican
free.
One
artists,
buckle that's 70 grand for one buckle I see.
the mere fact that
No
3
chaser.
the mere fact that 3 Jamaican artists are listed on the bill so far, we don't know if no more has been added. We have to give thanks.
But look here, yeah.
We're gonna wrap up shortly, but give
End
your
of the
final
day,
thoughts.
end of the day, nobody. So you realize everybody run past the cheap ticket them and gonna win a Sky if
Yeah,
you know.
because they want to.
Remember me say Reach and Seckler?
Where
This
Sky, hold on. We want to find out where Skyview there.
on top of the in the grandstand, up on top of the roof, don't put it with them say.
Me I wonder wait, because if that is Skyview, remember you out of stadium in a brother.
That's why it's called Sky for a reason.
You need middle class so I wonder if them all put it up close and person. Them have got build one little.
Or probably they get photo ops with
No,
that.
no.
We don't know
You have got
what
Skyview, you have got build something near to this stage because you cannot pay them the money there. Because listen, my
They
man.
call up close.
Listen, my man. The money there, I want like a pro box.
All right, me not gonna be like.
One like a second hand pro box
Your
you can
last
get.
2 seconds on
Dragon,
this.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie though, yeah. If you
Mm.
and the
Red
whole
Sisters, your last 2
and the one of
seconds.
the guy here there, around Chris Brown showtime, yeah. And you know, say, as we say the numbers,
Mm.
and we are foreigners. Because we are foreigner,
Yeah.
we're just chipping us by Sky.
No.
You
my
do that.
father.
You do that.
No.
No.
Me can't watch it
No.
on YouTube.
37,000 each.
Sir.
No.
Sir.
No.
Me can't watch it on
You're
YouTube.
37,000
At a
for me.
at a later date.
Different. Listen, it's my
I live
third.
life, man.
Listen up.
Can you stop,
It's my
please?
37,000. Let me say
I
something.
lie, I'm Chris Brown for free.
Well, I know. Let me say
It's
something.
half
now.
of my PFE.
Let me show you something.
Your
My-
last 2 seconds.
My
as well.
37,000.
To fix the list.
I can go for 8 rivers up at Woofy.
And you still, what is
Listen
money?
now. Listen now. I can spend 15 or 20.
Why is
Can buy a buckle. Can enjoy myself. Then I can go shades after.
I still
So
have
for
money
money
left.
for them girls.
I
Still have little money. I'm buying my as well me I come
Buy
home.
one jerk chicken.
Yeah. If 37,000, you just have to pay for going to stadium.
Anyway.
And you have to go buy
Right.
drinks.
Yes.
So-
Alright, elephant, man.
You need one next 50 grand to buy drinks. Can remember,
And then again, we have to think about it, you know.
you
Hold on.
can't go skybox. When we come in, we
Throat
6
dry.
hours in one booth. Well, I know.
Throat dry.
I don't want cabana.
Yeah.
Thick boy.
Yeah.
One buckler NSC, one buckler rum. Lily up my thing.
Alright, until
You
the show.
disrespect me.
Until the show.
You would have to have 8 buckler NSC and 9 rum and 10 rum.
To be
Cannot
Lily up my
fair,
thing.
me can't imagine I pay 1.5.
We can't drink them, we
yeah.
throw them away.
And if you're rich and can afford the 1.5,
I
me
think
can't
that's
see I
wasting
pay that
money.
1. What? If me I pay. Me can't see I have the 1.5. Yeah, you go there and just say, I say, one buckle. And
I
So if I hear a girl go.
I would
So
rather,
suppose if I hear your girl go.
we'd rather go
Why not?
go watch some
If
of
I hear
the
your girl go,
artists.
you buy one back. You think Lily.
wow.
Anyways,
Hey,
ladies
no,
and gentlemen, for anybody, but the thing about it is,
That's just the
what-
ladies and
it's a
gentlemen,
week,
come.
it's a weekend event. So imagine you going to all 3 days of events,
No, you go one guy here for that.
bro. That,
You got one guy next to them for
Feel me
that.
out to hurt me. Just
Anyway.
looking at those
Anyway,
prices.
people,
We're gonna wrap up.
Wrap up this topic. I think this one is a little mention.
What's that?
More than get back in Ocherius.
Yeah, at Uber claim.
Fingy friend, let me say, but we
Ooh,
not
ooh.
some year.
PG.
Me no know.
And the man said, so what?
Me no know. Them say, cause I people in Backley, I some here.
I
Listen, that's the part of show. People get boo, Beanie Man get boo, I'm first sure.
Bad man.
This is Beanie
That
Man
was-
now.
that was
deliberate.
planned.
That
No,
was
no.
planned.
But man, as a man come out and go like
Hold
so.
on, hold on.
V6 for the tool.
Hold on.
Listen me now,
Hold on.
man.
Wish
It
flinging
come
a
like
back was
when
the
them a
plan.
rob. It come like when you know like them a rob car upon the tool and a man fling a big stone in your vehicle for you
Make it
stop.
stop, yeah.
But Jagan,
Yeah man, a
wish
V6 for the
you
tool man.
know, yeah.
Can't stop.
Wish you know it. Wish you know, yeah. A man say, yo, randomly from the back. It's going to be planned there. Say, yo, you're not on the
No.
right.
I'm not all about it.
No.
But to be fair, from the side there, that not happen because them could have do it and hurt somebody else. or
Bread.
hurt
That's
the
true.
artist
Breads,
as well.
hold on.
But you know, same thing
Breads.
when I came for 99
Breads,
crore.
breads, hold
We've
on.
done that before.
Breads.
Oh, no,
Breads.
hold on, pause.
Yeah.
The previous show where them fling the microphone,
Who he threw the microphone?
was it that for the
You were talking about one Canada thing.
Was it Canada?
Yeah, but hold on.
No. Canada one a man fling the phone at the woman head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in the fling the mic out in the crowd.
After the people them
that
buckling.
No,
that is
no.
Craft was performing and throw the
I was
microphone.
craft. You all them look like somebody.
Yeah, mix up a thing. You want to fling it after nobody. So in terms of people getting buckling show, like
Fuck with that.
hold on no. Me got a whole pa show before, and some artists not listen. Them sing 1-2 song, I will say, yeah, come down now, man.
But him never start.
And him sing one more, I will say, Father, come down, man. There you know, next one he sing was say, suck your woman, come off. And he sing the next song, lick him down.
I think it was Teen Fest.
We say lick him down.
No, we can fling back and lick him down.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
it. Anyway, the point is it shouldn't happen. I'm gonna respect that, to be fair.
And to be honest, this throwing of microphones by artists is happening very, very often.
Cardi B do it.
Cardi B did it recently.
Lawsuit.
But hold on,
But
Wrong person.
Hold on. Manasa, the woman who threw the alcohol or the liquid.
she was right.
Who was right?
Because listen, a lot of people get misconcept by the video. Because Cardi B, in the long video, she was saying, throw the drink on her pussy, throw it on her pussy. See? And people was throwing a drink on her before. And then till like after she walk from that side of the stage to the other side, somebody threw the drink and it go up in her face and she threw the mic.
The girl was
Yeah.
saying sorry,
And
sorry, I
then
didn't mean it.
and then Cardi B I say, bitch, I say, throw it in my pussy, not in my face.
Okay, well,
So-
I didn't watch the
but-
video.
So in
But-
terms of that,
But, yeah, Joe.
I think if you're out there performing that kind of raunchy set, a little drink sketch in your face.
But-
Are you causing?
But Jagan,
Behave yourself. You're a
Okay.
professional.
Hold on,
Yeah,
my
well,
last for that,
2
yeah.
seconds, we're wrapping it up.
You throw it off a she fling the mic and
Hit somebody else.
me. You see the next day,
Fight.
fight two.
Lawsuit.
Two. Who me for buy my Skybox few ticket?
Anyways.
Right now, your last night crowd. Oh, you approve it.
Don't forget last.
Oh, you approve it. See, I might bust your face.
Bro, it's recorded right there.
It's on video.
It's next to the girl that actually threw it.
It's on video,
but
but
there's-
did nobody see the mic hit you in your face?
Yeah, but there's
Brother,
several video
brother,
angles,
the
bro.
scene of
Don't,
the same-
don't be,
no, no,
don't
no,
be
no, no.
stupid.
The same talker phone, DNA. Yeah, my little technology. So brother, you idiot from the.
Anyways.
With darker phone DNA.
Oh, Jesus
That DNA in your fired when you might bust it.
Yeah,
Well-
but this,
Anyway,
Okay,
anyway.
cool.
Listen,
We're gonna
there's
move
so
on.
much evidence. The master, your brother.
we're gonna leave it at that.
A 500,000 come for you. A 5 million more.
We're going to leave it at that, ladies and